St. Joseph College, being the first Catholic boys' school in Hong Kong and being the first Lasalle school in Hong Kong, founded in 1875, with a very clear mission that is to give a human and Christian education to all, no matter what economic background they come from. We are grateful and thank God for all our Josephians who are doing so well in society, transforming the life of the Hong Kong people. God bless.
St. Joseph to me represents the happiest times of my life in school.
St. Joseph is a superb school that produces talent to serve Hong Kong, to serve China, and to serve the world.
The values and beliefs I learned at St. Joseph's continue to guide me in serving Hong Kong.
6 decades after they graduate, my classmates, they all have certain degrees of success, but they have all maintained this school motto of labor and virtue.
嚟咗學打足球、籃球、羽毛球，走15公尺，學咗永不言敗嘅精神。
我亦都參加咗童子軍啦、聖母軍啦，除咗勤學之外咧，仲要個品行嘅方面。
喺聖若瑟學到最緊要嗰樣嘢，叫做 labour and virtue。所以我而家教書一定講以人為本。
St. Joseph College is a place to groom young kids, rich and poor. It let me become what I am today. I hope other Josephians like me will give something back to the school.
St. Joseph prepares us not just academically, but also prepare us well for the outside world.
St. Joseph's College is a school of pioneers, inspiring me to explore the unknown.
我對聖若瑟嘅感覺係莊關迪同埋一個好 close 嘅 alumni community。St.
Joseph 係代表 brotherhood， 由小學1年班識嘅朋友到而家仲係好好嘅朋友，好好嘅pal。
My great grandfather was the first Lee family member and one of the very first pupils to attend St. Joseph. The college is in my blood.
我咧就係5年級嗰時入聖若瑟嘅，讀到 Upper Six 去外國讀大學。嗰時咧，我對我自己嘅信心係十足啦。
我喺聖若瑟由幼稚園讀到 Form 7，有15年嘅時間，加埋我爸爸讀咗10幾年，係有一個傳承。
聖若瑟書院培育咗我亦都將呢樣嘢傳承俾我下一代。我2個小朋友都係喺聖若瑟度讀書嘅。
We are Josephians.
To me, St. Joseph's represents freedom and creativity.
咁我而家就身處於 New Hall， 考試又喺呢度，打波又喺呢度，做 show 亦都喺呢度，亦都係我音樂事業嘅開始。
聖若瑟代表我寫作嘅 starting point， 呢間房真係開心到不得了，有咁大個 mon 睇戲啦。讀書嘅時候有呢一間房咧，我諗我會長時間喺呢間房咧，就極少時間喺課室。
文同武呢個就係聖若瑟啦，文武相傳。
聖租對我嚟講，就係我前面呢啲。
St. Joseph is equal to all-round education plus outstanding。
聖租對我嚟講就好似返屋企一樣。
Lasalle Brothers 咧，俾好多自主佢哋做嘢，學生咧都各有各人嘅美態㗎，佢哋有自信啦，再加上有修養 ，handsome 啊，佢哋即係呢啲係喺內心裏邊發出。係啊，
我哋嘅修士同埋我哋嘅老師都俾佢哋好多關心啦，我哋嘅學生喺學校裏邊咧都係得到好多愛同埋希望。
We Josephians enjoy challenges.
For a century and a half, our beloved college has stood as a beacon of academic excellence and a cradle for future leaders in the heart of Hong Kong. Let us embody the courage that has always defined St. Joseph's to elevate our school to new heights, guided by our school motto, labor and virtue.
Sons of St. Joseph.
I am CH 梁之豪。
I am David 李國寶 ，son of St. Joseph。
永遠都係聖租仔。 我係姚天汪。
I'm Per Chin, sons of St. Joseph.
I am Paul Shi.
I'm Dennis Low, a son of St. Joseph's College. SJC forever!